Hi, I'm Megan with WTI, and if you're looking for an inexpensive way to freshen up the decor in your home, one great way to do it is with a fresh pair of pillow covers. I got these pillow covers by Booque Valley in Seafoam. They are the 18 by 18 inch. I already had feathered inserts that fit perfectly inside of them. I really love the cozy sweater pattern on these covers. It really gives my home a nice, warm, cozy vibe to it, especially now that the weather's getting colder. These pillowcases are very soft, cozy material. They come with a hidden zipper that glides really well back and forth. Pillow covers are great if you happen to have pets or children. Then you want pillow covers that you can take off and wash so that they're nice and fresh again. This classic design can be paired with any other pillows you may have in your home, and there's a wide selection of colors to choose from. They are so cozy and definitely well made, and that's my point of view.